Hi, I'm Tony Coustelou, beverage expert for UK and Ireland for MONIN. We've been receiving more and more requests for non-alcoholic recipes to add to your bar menus. And it's no surprise, with a quarter of pub visits being alcohol-free and an estimated 800 million revenue missed due to lack of sustainable no and low options. Thankfully, we have 3 wonder products that are the perfect solution to a simple yet delicious mocktail. First, we'd be remiss not to mention our Orange Spritz syrup. It's no secret that Aperol is absolutely everywhere at the moment, it's not just summer. But what about those who can't or don't drink? Why should they miss out on an iconic spritz of dazzling orange bubbles? Our Orange Spritz syrup can be used in many different applications, but shines particularly in a non-alcoholic spritz. Here's our recipe. Next up, our bitter concentrate. This is the perfect alcohol-free alternative to Campari. It's so highly regarded within the industry that it's used at some of the best bars in London and the world. Trust us, anyone that likes Campari is going to love this. Here's our recipe for a non-alcoholic seltzer, which is kind of a twist on a Campari and soda. Lastly, our Caribbean syrup does exactly what it says on the tin. The beautifully rounded and spiced flavour that's perfect in non-alcoholic twists on any rum drink. We're going to be looking at a Dark Stormy twist. Thank you, and let us know what other videos you'd like to see in the future in our comments section, and subscribe for more inspiration. Also be sure to follow us on Instagram.